Yo, what's up guys, we're back with a new video, and today, this is going to be a tutorial on how to send or make videos on your Oculus and send them to either your phone, your PC, or whatever you edit your videos on. So first, all you're going to need is a video. So for example, I have this video over here. I recorded that video and then posted it. This is the way I did it. Well, this is a different way I did it, but this way also works. This is the way that I'm going to start doing because it works way better. All you're going to want to do is go to your browser. Type in Google Drive, and then where you're going to go is the Google Drive sign in, and then it should take you to this. If it doesn't take you to this, click sign in and sign in with everything. And then you're going to want to do is click new, file upload, and then you're going to want to click your video. So for example, I'm going to do this one, and then it should upload. So guys, see how it's okay, so guys, now it just said finishing upload, and now that it's done, all you gotta do is go to your computer or your phone. For this example, I'm gonna go to my PC because that's what I record my videos on. So now that we're here, now that we're on my PC, all you're gonna go to is Google Drive. You could be signed into a different account on your phone. That's not Drive. You could be, like I said, you could be signed into a different account either on your PC or your Oculus, or you could be signed into the same thing. And that's literally all you gotta do. Like, you just have to be signed in. But if you're signed in on your Oculus with a different account, all you gotta do is just share it. And then share it to the account that's on your phone, PC, or etc. Whatever you edit your apps or your videos on. I use CapCut. I'll make a tutorial on how to record VR videos and what to do, because I had to look it up because I didn't know. So all you gotta do now is go to your file and either open it or click download. So this is just example, and then you just click download. Sometimes it says too big. That's too big. Wait it for it to scan viruses, and then it should download. Yep. And it shouldn't take that long if your videos aren't that big. Okay, so now that you're done with that, all you're gonna need to do is go to your video editing software or whatever. So I already got this pulled up. I already edited this part. Now all you're gonna do is bring your other part up, or edit it, click it here. For example, hold on, I'll help you with this. If you're in CapCut, all you gotta do is click create project, import the video. So for example, it would be this, and then boom, that's already in here, and just drag it down, and then you can edit it. That's probably one of the easiest ways without time, it's the least time consuming. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys also for 115 subs. You guys got me 30 subs in the past week. It's insane. I don't know how you guys did it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and also remember, when I hit 125 subs, I'll be giving away a piece of merch from my merch store. Whatever you guys want, just one, because I'm not rich. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and yeah. That's going to be it for today. Bye, guys.